Hello, my name is Adriana Salgado, Material Design for Face-to-Face Environment, Step 4. How would you use a video to teach in face-to-face environment? Information and communication technologies are currently being used in education to assist the student to learn more effectively by providing teachers with access to the wide range in a new pedagogy. These technologies are also being used to enable teachers to do administrative tasks more efficiently. Video in education is one element of those distributed interactions, and the role that the video plays within education and how that role develops will be explored further. The new use enables students to show teachers how to improve teaching, and doing this enables the student to have more informed and more profitable access to teacher knowledge and skills. Video is defined in here as digital recorded content that has sound and motion that can be stored on deliberate live and can be streamed at various devices. What language skill would you practice by using a tool in face-to-face classes? How will you do it? When teacher makes use activities that have been especially designed to incorporate several language skills simultaneously, reading, writing, listening, and speaking. I think that is very important, the method that improves your English communication skill. First, give yourself time to think and may be worried that the people that you're talking and they are impatient will allow you to say what you want to quickly as possible. Second, learn to listen. When speaking foreign language, you may be so focused on what you're saying and where it is correct or not that you forget to listen to what others say. Third, practice your interrogatives. We also need to keep in mind the fact that communication is two-way process. Not only does it to make you seem uninterested, you don't ask questions. You might also abandon the one who has to do all the talking. Fourth, produce. Writing is one way to produce your language. It may help to get used to and reflect on the way English operates. Name 3 advantages and 3 disadvantages of using videos in face-to-face environment. Advantage to use videos first is easy to access anytime with videos. The student can learn anywhere for their mobile device, a laptop, tablets, or a smartphone. Easy to deliver. You can provide a student with unlimited access to all materials and uploading videos, such as innovative approach to teaching will engage your student and encourage your college. More effective learning. You can send to link to the video and simply make a regular post on blog or website. This allows all the students to keep up with the curriculum. One of the major advantages of the use of video is that the learners have control over the media with ability to review, part to misunderstand. Okay, the disadvantage are the students can easily distract and use the technology for different activities. Can actually increase the bad experience for learning any topics. For grammar, for example, the teacher could find the drag student attention. Okay, finally, expressing your point of view related to the use of technology tools in face-to-face environment. The potential for ICT in language education programs and improve a quality of teaching and learning in www spans the classroom's contents and provide access to current materials for the country's target language, offering learners and teachers different models, branded foreign culture and language in environment where teaching staff are not able to fully a requirement of the curriculum with regard to the skill and knowledge required. Other paragraphs may provide sufficient backup for them to other courses without having to engage in time-consuming and expensive retraining. And finally, the benefit of technology in language learning that is very much part of language learning throughout the world and all different levels. We are as likely defined primary sector as much as the adult education. The use of technology in foreign language learning also appears to influence the development of linguistic skills. Several research have reported an improvement in students within skill, writing skill throughout the use of networking computers. For example, students writing projects displaying more fluency and conversation, more use of complex sentences, and more self-disclosure. Thank you very much. Bye bye.